Yes.
The thing is that, Lordship, I'm an ardent devotee of Goddess Durga, and I'm a member of body of individual who worship and celebrate Durga Puja on a specific plot of land, and the description of that plot of land has been annexed in page number 11 of my writ petition, Lordship.
All right.
And the classification of that land shows that it's a Devosthan, that is the place of worship. And it has been specifically mentioned in the vernacular language that said plot of land is meant for Kali Thakurer Sthan Hindu Sadharaner Byabharjo. That is a place of worship which can be used by mass who are Hindus, Lordship. Now, I prayed for permission before the jurisdictional police, and said permission has not yet given to me. Then I filed another representation before the superintendent of police. Again, that has not been adhered to till that, Lordship. Now, Lordship, it has been, now, Lordship, from the record of right, Lordship, it is clearly mentioned that it's a place of worship, Lordship. And from the statute, that is the Place of Worship Act 1991, it clearly shows two things, Lordship. From its object, it is...
What do you want? Prayer for permission for conducting the Durga Puja?
Lordship.
What will the owners do?
This is a plot of land, Lordship, which is purely meant for the place of worship, Lordship.
No. The owners are there. They can take steps. Who are you?
When a place is there for the place of worship, and if the permission is not granting to me, then the character of that religious character of the place of worship will not survive in that plot of land, Lordship.
Who said? You are the only person who is worshipping the goddess over there? There is nobody else to worship?
We have me along with body of individuals, Lordship.
Body of individuals? Who are the body of individuals? It is you who have come alone.
Yes, I have come alone,
then
Lordship.
Go and worship. The deity is there.
Yes.
Who is stopping you? Why do you want permission? The landlords are there. They'll take steps for worship and whatever. And if you say that there is a temple, go and worship. Where is the harm? Why special permission will be given to you to conduct a puja in somebody else's land?
Because on that plot of land, we are worshipping for more than 30 years, Lordship.
We worship it for 300 centuries, no difficulty, but go and worship. Do not raise any issue before the court of law, right? This is something very personal. You go and worship at some place, go and worship. Nobody is stopping you. No permission will be given to you.
They are not asking for permission regarding worship of the goddess. They are asking permission for hosting of Durga Puja. This Durga Puja had started in the year 2022. They had sought for permission from the earlier erstwhile owners.
They permitted, and now they are not permitting because they are raising construction. Yes, I remember.
The present petitioner is the cashier of that committee.
Where from the money comes? Who is giving the fund?
We the people who worship the...
How much? How many people are there in the group?
I need to seek the instruction in this.
Now you take instruction. Who is funding this writ petition?
The petitioner herself, Lordship.
What does the petitioner do?
Cashier.
1 minute. What does he do?
She's
housewife.
Housewife, Lordship.
Oh, where from does she get the money?
I need to seek instruction.
Did you get your fees?
I'm doing it in pro bono basis, Lordship.
Pro bono basis.
Lordship.
Pro bono Durga Puja cannot be celebrated.
No, Lordship. This is the collective money that
It's a very good ploy to collect money. Don't take goddess to that level. Let us be fair to ourselves.
Lordship.
Go and offer your pujas, seek blessings. It's all right. Don't take these matters to court. Please come.
They have never sought permission from the concerned police authority also.
The petitioner.
Private respondent, sir. That lens belongs to...
The petitioner has averred in the writ petition that she is an ardent devotee of Ma Durga and worships Ma Durga during the season of Durga Puja as per the Hindu rituals. Stop. She claims to be a member of a body of individuals, namely Teparai, page 3, paragraph 3, 4th line. Teparai মহিলা পরিচালিত দুর্গা পূজা কমিটি। Stop. It has been claimed that the committee performs Durga Puja for the last 30 years. Stop. The petitioner made a prayer before the officer in charge, Sahibganj Police Station. Seeking permission for conducting the Durga Puja this year. Stop. As no response has been given by the police, the instant writ petition has been filed. Paragraph. Record of rights in respect of the subject land where the puja is alleged to be performed has been annexed to the writ petition. Stop. The name of the Rayat is disclosed therein. Stop. The land is classified as Devosthan. And in the remarks column, it is mentioned Kali Thakure's Sthan dash Hindu সাধারণের ব্যবহার্য. Stop. Next. The petitioner has averred in the writ petition that right to worship is her fundamental right. And she has an exclusive prerogative to worship the god. Paragraph. Prayer has been made to direct the respondent authority to issue permission to worship goddess Durga. Paragraph. It appears that the respondent number 4 is the recorded Rayat of the subject plot of land. Stop. It has been submitted that puja is held in the said land as per the prevailing practice. Stop. Paragraph. A report has been forwarded by the officer in charge, Sahibganj Police Station, signed on 26th of September 2024, which mentions that the police conducted an inquiry and it revealed that on the last 2 occasions, the recorded Rayat had given no objection to the committee for organizing puja on their land. But this year, permission has been refused by the recorded Rayat as the committee on earlier occasion attempted to encroach their recorded land by raising permanent structure. Stop. On hearing the submission made on behalf of all the parties, it appears that the land is recorded as a place meant for the deity. Stop. The public can always go to the temple and offer their prayers. Stop. There is no requirement for issuing special permission in favor of the petitioner or any committee for that matter for holding the Durga Puja. Stop. Paragraph. The puja will be performed as per the prevailing practice. The writ petition stands dismissed.
Obliged, Lordship.
Affidavit of service is taken on record.